Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add MailerLite to your Wix website. This integration allows you to manage your email marketing campaigns directly through your Wix site, making it easier to grow and engage with your audience. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Apps. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on App Market. This is where you'll find all the third-party integrations and tools available to enhance your Wix website's functionality. You'll now be presented with a comprehensive list of apps that you can use and integrate with your Wix website. The app market offers a wide variety of tools for different purposes, from marketing to analytics to customer service. To find MailerLite quickly, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in MailerLite. Then hit Enter. The search results will display several apps, so you'll need to identify the correct one. Look for the MailerLite app that has the description marketing tools for faster audience growth. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the MailerLite overview page. This page provides detailed information about what the app can do for your website. Take a moment to scroll down and read through the app's functions and features. This will give you a clear understanding of how MailerLite can help you with email campaigns, automation, and subscriber management. Additionally, check out the user reviews to see what other Wix users have experienced with the app and review the pricing and plan options to ensure it fits your budget and needs. Once you're ready to move forward, click on the Add to Site button. A new window will appear presenting you with a list of all the terms and access requests from the app. MailerLite will need certain permissions to function properly within your Wix site, so it's important to read through these terms carefully. When you're comfortable with everything, click on Agree and Add. The app will now start its installation process. All you have to do is wait patiently until it finishes. The installation typically takes just a few moments, and once it's complete, MailerLite will be automatically added to your Wix account and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully integrated MailerLite with your Wix website, giving you powerful email marketing tools right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.